Hey guys, welcome back. After this video, I'm going to show you how to delete saved chats in Character.AI. So first, what we want to do is go into the chat right here, then just click on View Saved Chats. You'll see all your saved chats right here. So you just need to click on it. Once you've clicked on it, go three dots again and click on Remove Messages. Select all, or just click on any message you want. Then click on Remove. Boom, if it's now removed, and you could go ahead here and wait for it to load. Go to Use Chats and let's say right here and click on Remove Messages. Done with that. So you can only delete 2 at a time, or just like that. Then click on Remove. Then go to Remove again, and go on and delete all of it if you want. But that's basically it, guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.